In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an unsubscribed filter in Klaviyo. An unsubscribe filter is a simple segment you can use to quickly identify people who have opted out of your emails. This is helpful for list hygiene, reporting, and making sure your targeting stays accurate. In Klaviyo, the easiest way to build this is by creating a segment based on unsubscribe behavior. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and going to the left side navigation. From there, select Audience and then go into Lists and Segments. This is the main area where you manage your lists and create segments that update automatically based on customer activity. Once you are on the Lists and Segments page, look for the option to create something new. Click Create List, and then choose Segment. Make sure you select Segment, since a segment updates over time and will continuously pull in profiles that match the conditions you set. Next, you will name your segment. Enter the name Unsubscribed Filter. Using a clear name like this makes it easy to find later, especially if your account has many segments. It also helps your team understand exactly what the segment is meant to do. Now you will build the segment definition. In the Condition Builder, open the drop-down and select what someone has done or not done. This option lets you target people based on specific actions or behaviors tracked in Klaviyo, including unsubscribing. After selecting that, choose the Unsubscribe event. Pick Unsubscribed from List if you want the segment to reflect unsubscribes from a specific list. If you prefer a broader filter that captures people who unsubscribed at the account level, choose the option for Unsubscribed for Global instead. The right choice depends on whether you manage unsubscribes by list or want a single catch-all view. Then set the frequency and time range. Set the frequency to at least once, and set the time to overall time. This ensures the segment includes anyone who has unsubscribed at any point, not just recently. That is important because unsubscribed status is typically something you want to respect indefinitely, unless the person resubscribes. Finally, click Create Segment. Klaviyo will generate the segment and populate it with profiles that match your unsubscribe criteria, and that is all there is to it.